I'm Michael Scott. I'm the Delta Beam Sales Manager for Pico here in the UK and Ireland. Things that we did with the Delta Beam in this instance was to incorporate the balcony support, the balcony connections, and also the masonry support channels. This meant on site, all the setting out and coordination didn't need to be done. That was done in our factory, and then the beams came to site, installed, and then ready to take the external fixings. The lightweight balcony system had minimal impact on the beam. If it was much heavier, then the beam would need to be heavier and more steel, therefore more expensive and more costly for the environment. A lightweight balcony such as the one we use with Sapphire has minimal impact on the beam, so it's nice and efficient, a lightweight structure, which I think the client and the design team were aiming to do in this instance. I think the approach we've taken with Sapphire and interfacing with Delta Beam has saved a significant amount of time in man hours and simplifying the process. And as mentioned earlier, it improves safety as well, which is very, very important. We could have connected other balcony solutions to the beam, but that would be more complex, higher loads, be more steel. And also with the stub system that Sapphire have, those could be bolted to the beams whilst they were on the ground before they were placed at height, making that process quicker, simpler and safer to do. A super system where you can do as much as possible off-site that makes it more accurate, and then the site process is much simpler and quicker and safer. I was part of the process working on the scheme, and the collaboration was excellent between all parties, between Sapphire, between the design engineers, Ride and Wood, and then the PC, the subcontractor, and then John Sisks as well. So the cooperation by the whole team was excellent, and can't speak highly enough of everybody who took part in the process. One of the key challenges, certainly for Pico and with the Sapphire balconies, was really the coordination and where these are located, because we had clashes with other things going on in the structure, such as the masonry support channels and column support, anchor bolts and things like that. So now we've gone through the process, the coordination on future schemes should be much simpler and more streamlined and more efficient, because we sort of know what to expect in terms of the challenges of connecting the balconies to the beam. The future of UK building is to look at different ways of doing things, a hybrid type of approach, manufacture off-site, making the process much simpler. I think it really is the future. We can't just keep building the same old ways. And also with the work we've been doing around reducing the environmental impact of the beam as well. And that really then ties into the construction process. If you can make that more efficient, not only do you get a building that's more efficient in materials, but more efficient for the environment. And also, hopefully, a nice environment for the people that are going to use the building in the future, because these things are there to be used, and the nicer the environment for the users is always going to be beneficial going forward.